Hey there! Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of trading without any financial risk, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create a free Oanda demo account. This will allow you to practice trading with virtual funds before you think about using real money. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Oanda demo sign-up page. Just go to Oanda's official website, where you'll see options like Demo or Try Demo Account. Click on that, and it'll take you to the registration page to kick off your demo application. Easy, right? Now, on to step 2. You'll need to fill in some basic information to create your account. This includes your country of residence, your full name, email address, phone number, and don't forget to set a password for your account. This information is all used to create your demo login, and once you hit submit, your demo account will be created instantly. How cool is that? Next up, step 3, confirming your email. After you sign up, keep an eye on your inbox because Oanda will send you an email with a confirmation link and your account details. Go ahead and click that link to verify your email. This is a crucial step to finish setting up your demo account, so don't skip it. Now, let's move on to step 4. It's time to access your demo account. You can log in at the Oanda hub or portal using the credentials you just set up. Or, if you're on the go, you can also log in through Oanda's mobile app to start trading right away. And here's a little tip. If you're using platforms like MetaTrader 5, you can also use your demo credentials there if it's offered in your region. Remember, you'll be trading with virtual funds, so there's no real money at risk, perfect for practicing those trading skills. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created your very own Oanda demo account. Now you can start exploring the exciting world of trading without any financial pressure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Happy trading, and see you next time.